Hello everyone! Nandito lang ulit ako sa may rooftop. Ganda lang pagmasdan. Ng kalangitan, napaka blue ng bonggang-bongga. The sky is blue ng bonggang-bongga, everyone. Peaceful Jerusalem. What a peaceful Jerusalem. See the clouds? The cotton clouds. Super peaceful po dito sa Jerusalem despite the current situation that the war is continuous ng bonggang-bongga pa rin. Pero we are hoping for peace and world peace ng bonggang-bongga. Nawa nga ay tumigil na at magkaroon na ng ceasefire at talagang maibalik na ang mga hostages na natitira. Sabi nga nila meron daw natitira pang mga 129 hostages. So, bring them home ng bonggang-bongga, everyone. Diba? That one is the Knesset, everyone. And that road is the Rupin Road. Going to Jerusalem Museum. Down the hill is the Monastery of the Cross, Valley of the Cross. That one. The Holy Land neighborhood, the Gilo neighborhood. Thank you so much everyone and love everyone.